Hi, I'm Luna. Welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab. Today I'll show you how to turn off notifications on Samsung phone. Open the settings page. The settings menu is your control center, where you can manage apps, sounds, privacy, security, and many other important features of your phone. Next, scroll down carefully and tap on notifications. On some Samsung devices, this option may appear slightly differently depending on your One UI version, but it is usually easy to find in the main settings list. Once the notifications page, tap All sign Gifamal Tap on App Notifications at the top of the screen. Here, you will see a complete list of all installed apps, including system and downloaded apps. This section allows you to control notifications individually for each app. Now, scroll through the list or use the search symbol to find the specific app for which you want to turn off notifications. Once you find it, tap on the toggle switch next to the app name. Turning the switch off will immediately disable all notifications from that app. If you want to silence all alerts at once, go back to the main notifications page and tap on Do Not Disturb. Turn it on to temporarily mute calls, messages, and app notifications. You can also customize exceptions and set a schedule. Thanks for learning with Quantum Tech Lab, where technology is made simple and practical for everyone.